Hello and welcome back to the Chipmunk channel. Today we will take a closer look at the Victorinox Winter Magic 2023. This knife is truly remarkable and it's not officially available yet. So if you want to see what makes this knife so special, then stay with us. Okay, so that's it, the Winter Magic 2023. Well, the first impression of the packaging is very appealing. We see a nice drawing of some sort of mountain scenery on the cover. Matching colors, really nicely done. The packaging cover has cutouts that match the theme, giving us a nice view of the knife's handle scales. This is really beautifully done and increases the anticipation of the knife that is hidden behind it. Even if the knife is not officially available as of today, we already know the price. Victorinox charges 59 francs for the Winter Magic 2023. That's quite a reasonable price in my opinion, but more on that later. Of course, this knife is also produced in Switzerland. Around 30 million knives are manufactured every year. Unfortunately, we don't know how many of these knives are Winter Magic limited editions. Nevertheless, Victorinox deserves great praise for not outsourcing production to China, as many other manufacturers do. But I would say we now come to the most important thing. We open the packaging and see what awaits us. The packaging itself consists of several layers of corrugated cardboard with cutouts for the knife and the tag. On the back, there's space for the usual Victorinox operation instructions. In my opinion, the quality is quite okay, but in any case better than the packaging of the annual ALOX limited editions. The operating instructions correspond to the Victorinox standard. There is no special certificate for this limited edition. The knife comes with a shiny chrome tag. I'm not sure what the correct English name for it is, tag or charm. Anyway, the theme of mountains can be found here too. Very nicely made and it fits the knife perfectly. But now let's go to the most important part of this video and take a closer look at the knife itself. The base model of this year's Winter Magic is the very popular Cadet. The Cadet is extremely popular for a reason. Despite its small size and slimness, it is equipped with useful tools and already looks great in the standard version. Of course, the handle scales are the real star of this limited edition. The surface structure is unique and not only looks very good, but also feels great. The design is also impressive. We see a mountain landscape at sunrise or sunset. The colors are really atmospheric. Victorinox has done an excellent job here. In my opinion, this is one of the most beautiful knives that this manufacturer has produced to date. You probably already know which tools your Victorinox Cadet is equipped with. Nevertheless, here's a list of the high quality tools. In addition to the large blade, which is 63 mm long, we find a nail file with nail cleaner. The well-known opening layer, which is installed on almost all Victorinox knives, can also be found on the Cadet. Can opener, bottle opener, screwdrivers in two sizes and a wire stripper are integrated into this layer. The knife itself is 84 mm long and only 8 mm thin. At 46 grams it's a real lightweight that you can always take with you without any problems. Now, what is my final opinion on this limited edition? I think Victorinox did an excellent job here and delivered a beautiful knife. Especially when you think about the really justified price No comparison to the overpriced Alox annual editions. The quality is as you would expect from this manufacturer. The beautiful design of the handles case is unique, the quality of the packaging is good, and I'm very pleased that the Alox Cadet was chosen as the basis model. The only small negative point is the fact that we don't know how many of them will be made. In summary, this is an excellent addition to any collection, and collectors who are after the Alox Cadet have another reason to be happy. Now it's your turn. What do you think of the Winter Magic 2023? Would this be something for your collection? Do you like the design? As always, we look forward to your comments, every new subscription and every thumbs up. Don't forget to check out our website. You can of course also find this wonderful knife in the catalog of our new app. We wish you a nice weekend, happy collecting, and see you next time.